Hey everybody, I just have a few minutes this afternoon, and this is the Rockford PTO clutch that's going on that snowblower Jeep. I know that it's been forever since I did a video on that snowblower Jeep, but things have been very busy. Today, we want to get the clutch off, and that's on a tapered shaft, so they're tricky to get off. I removed the nut and the washer from it already. And originally what was on here was a 3-piece replacement clutch. And that just goes on like that. But I was having trouble because there's play in there. I was having trouble getting that lined up in that flywheel I made. So I got a solid clutch. It's an original Rockford twin disc clutch. I was able to secure that, but these are tricky to get off. A lot of guys will tell you to put some heat on there, use a sledgehammer, or do something silly like that. I made a puller for this one because you know, I don't want to mess that up. So I'm going to show you the puller I made. Okay, this is just made out of scrap I had laying around the shop. This is a 1/4 inch. It started out as a 1/4 inch piece, and I cut a circle out of it, and I welded some heavy bar on this side, a little bit wider, and I think that's 3/8 or something. Just stuff I had laying around the shop. And this is just how I do it. So that's going to fit in the clutch area. Okay. I lost my hammer. Hang in there with me, fellas. I lost my hammer. Okay. Okay, that tightens up the puller. I got some of these heavy clamps, and I'm just going to clamp this tight. These can be a real bear to come off, so like I say, I made it super heavy duty using my heaviest clamps I have. And here I have a piece of 1 1/4 by 2. That's some 4140 I had, so that's nice and strong. Got a couple 7/16 inch bolts here. Zip those in a little bit. This is just a pressure screw off of out of my snap-on kit. It's just a 3/4 16 pressure screw, and that's going to do the job. We'll get an impact gun on that. You see that all right? Mm-hmm. If you got a good puller on there like this one, it took a little time to make it, but it makes pulling off a lot easier. It should come right off. Yep, you hear it pop. There it is. disassemble it. Alright, we're showing this in real time so you can see. We'll get the puller off of here. That is how you safely pull a clutch on a tapered shaft. That's how you safely pull that off without messing it up. Now we can take this whole mechanism apart and we can put our new clutch in there. So you don't really need heat or a sledgehammer or a massive press or anything. If you take a little bit of time and make a puller that grabs the whole clutch area, that will come off for you without too much trouble. I think you can see the shaft is tapered. That's just like a tapered axle shaft that you see me pull before with a big hub puller. It's the same type of thing. And the keyway is still in the hub there. You put a keyway in here, and it's tapered. And when this outer nut is tightened up, that really seats in there, and they can be difficult to come off. Don't chance damaging your PTO unit because they're horribly expensive if you have to buy one. Even if you have to buy the guts of one, they're terribly expensive. So I wanted to get this apart because I'm rebuilding the whole thing, and I want to clean it up and sandblast it and stuff. So just a short one to show you guys just one way how to get these off. I think it's the safest way, but I hope if you have to do something like that, you might have learned something today. Okay, just a short one. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.